Hi people, welcome back to my channel. Just in case you're clicking on this video for the very first time, you're welcome. My name is Blessed Chamaka. So this video is all about how to prepare Asun jollof rice, and this is my best recipe. But in this video, I used a basmati rice to prepare this meal. So if you're really interested to watch this video, kindly sit back, relax, and enjoy this video to the end. Do not drag it so as not to miss any important detail in this video. So welcome back. So the first thing I am going to do right now is to wash my rice. Please kindly note that I use a basmati rice to prepare this delicious meal. You can as well use your normal rice you get, and it will still come out the same. But just know that the rice that I used is different. You get. So I love to use basmati rice. Okay. Now, so I want to prepare my asun first. This is the first step I need to do. Prepare my asu down before I will start preparing the jollof rice. So now that I'm done with the asu, the next thing is to start preparing the jollof rice. So I have just added my vegetable oil, and I added some salt into it, and I added my onions. So at this point I am going to stir very well. The next thing you need to do is adding your blended tomatoes. Some people do, grill their fresh tomatoes and pepper. For me, I don't. Okay, so I make sure you can do any of the two anyway. So I add my mixed peppers, tomatoes, tatashe, the atarodo, just the normal tomatoes mix, right? And the tip about this thing is that please make sure that you allow your tomatoes to done properly. And for you to know if it is done, you have to taste it. If it's no longer slapping your mouth, then it is done, because this is the first step to achieve a perfect jollof rice. And please note that when you're making your jollof rice, it's better for you to use a stainless steel pot. This is the pot kind of pot that will give you that perfect jollof. That's bottom pot jollof rice that you need. Normal cookware pot will not give you that taste, because the taste of a normal cookware pot with that of this kind of pot is totally different. Okay. When the fresh tomatoes and tatashe, it's well dried, the next thing you need to add is your tomato paste. It's very important you make use of your tomato paste to achieve that party, that kind of special jollof rice that you need. Okay. And at this point, it's time to add the bay leaves, all your spices. Make sure that you add it to this point so that everything can incorporate properly, so you can get all the burst of flavors that you need for your jollof rice. And also make sure that you add in your meat stock or your chicken stock. I forgot to add it at this point. Okay, I forgot, and I had to, add it towards the end of this video. You guys are going to see it. So do not do that part. Make sure that you add it, while you're frying your tomatoes, or when it is done, add in your chicken stock. Okay, the chicken stock. Okay, sorry. So I've added all my spices, and I'm going to give it a proper mix and add a little bit of water, because I felt it was too thick here. So make sure that you fry your tomatoes very, very well until you no longer feel that slap. When you taste it and it's no longer slapping your taste bud, then your tomatoes is fully done. you've achieved that first step of um getting a perfect jollof rice. So I tasted my pepper mix and it was no longer slapping my taste bud. At this point, it was done. The next thing is I added my basmati rice. Please kindly note that you can as well use the normal, regular rice. Okay, so I used the basmati rice for this meal, and I did not parboil it because it's already parboiled already. Okay, you can use your normal rice. Make sure that you parboil it before you use. If the rice has been parboiled already, then there's no point parboiling it again. So I added my rice and I gave it a stir. I want the rice to absorb the spiced tomatoes because it's been spiced already and I want it to get it, like, absorb everything. So I use the hot water for it. I have boiled my hot water already because I want it to get done quickly. When I added my water, I give it a stir and I allow it to cook for like 20 minutes. So you're gonna see where I added my chicken stock. I forgot to add it from the beginning of this video, okay? I do not know if I made mention in this video that please use a stainless steel pot to cook your jollof rice. There's a total difference when you use a stainless steel pot than when you use a cookware pot. The taste is different. They make, like, you not even get that same result. If you want a bottom pot jollof party jollof rice, when your rice is fully done, allow it to get burnt for maybe 5 minutes. And please note that when you're cooking your jollof rice, please reduce the heat. Don't use high heat so that it can get done properly. So at this point, this jollof rice is ready, and I'm adding my freshly made asun. Just check out this jollof rice, guys. Just check out the smoke, everything, the taste was, oh my god, my family loved it, my children, everybody loved this rice. Like, whenever I cook this type of rice, say, it doesn't last in my house. It finishes within a twinkle of an eye. So guys, that's how to make this is how I make my asu party jollof rice. And guys, the taste is yummy. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not. Give this video a thumbs up, like the video, tell me your thoughts, tell me what you think about this video. Did you enjoy it? Let me know. And did you learn a thing or two in this video? Let me know, and I look forward to your comments, your like, and your subscribe in the comments in this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.